On my mark.
5.
We're on express elevator to hell. Going down.
2, 1. Mark.
The pipe. 5 by 5.
Woo! What the heck happened to Bitcoin, man? Bitcoin and Ethereum. Well, let's find out in the chart, shall we? Bitcoin has taken a massive dump, 23%. Oh my God, this is horrible. This is crazy. Ethereum, it's done for 32%. Oh no, it's game over. Or is it? Oh man, we're gonna talk about that and more in today's episode. Most people here who are new to this space, they're probably freaking out. They're wondering what's going on. Oh my God, we're in a bear market. It's over. No, this is just the beginning. These movements are normal for Ethereum and Bitcoin and the crypto space in general. So we're going to be talking about that and more in today's episode, and how maybe even how to trade some of this, right? This volatility, so that you can actually make bank whilst the market goes up and whilst the market goes down, right? Because that's what we're here for, right? To make some money and and buy Bitcoin and learn about Bitcoin as well. So if you're interested in that, you can do so by heading over to bybit.davincej15.com or femex.davincej15.com to trade. And yeah, you get a special bonus, $600 bonus. So if you head over to Femex right now, quickly, just stop, pause the video, and head over to Femex, and get that $600 bonus. Okay, with that said, let's head into the charts of the first Bitcoin, and then we're gonna talk about Ethereum and a few other charts as well. First off, wow. As I said in yesterday's video, right, that, hey, you know what, this, I know yesterday's video was really, really sad, but I said, this tail has to be eaten, right? We're probably going to see it pump even more, but it didn't quite make it. Looks like if we did the fibs, right, from here to there, right, and to see if it will come back up to the Hail Mary pass. Almost did. It almost got the bulls all roaring, and nope, it rolled over and died. So I was expecting, hey, 61.8 or the 78.6 as a rollover point. It decided to hold. It decided to hold the line at 13 AMA, and boom, we were done on the 4 hour. Looking forward, we could see that this thing is not over yet. The $41,000 level is the target level. Right, as you can see, I have this drawn here for quite some time, and then of course you can see there's other resistance points if we put them on the map here, on the chart here, right there. You can see that clearly that's a clear zone of resistance, and so we're most likely going to come back and back test that area before we can see any kind of like consolidation. That's the most likely target, not an absolute, of course. Anything can happen. This is Bitcoin. Always remember that, right? Bitcoin will kick the fiat into the hole and finish them. But with the 200 period moving averages now in that area for the 4 hour, expect it to come rolling down there, and before we see some sort of consolidation move. Don't get too excited. This might be a chopping area again, where we might end up chopping between the highs and the lows. So yeah, just consider that. So we're going to be looking out for trades near the bottom here, and we're going to be looking for trades at the top here to pick some up. If we break down, if we roll over, break down through this level, I would say that you can do a short, right? Take a chance on a short down here, right? Because like as we go down to the let's just zoom into the lower time frames. You can see there was an M here, right? And it already fulfilled its prophecy, right? From here to there, it was like more than a 1-to-1 ratio. So, and it's probably trying to create another M here as it comes back up and then fails. So expect another breakdown at this level, and we're gonna head all the way down to the $41,000 level. You could always trade this this short one of two ways. No guarantees from the management, of course. Right? Anything can happen. You could head up to the 78.6, right? Stop loss at the top here at the almost $50,000, $82, and see if it holds. And if it holds, then it'll break down. And if it breaks down through here, you could take it all the way down to the $41,100 $600 level. That's one option you can do, or you can wait for the breakdown and trade it that way as well. So those are the two option trades that you can make in the next little while. Choose your poison, and live with the results. That's all there is to it. You can't nothing is a guarantee. You just have to take it as it comes. And so if this trade works out, it'd be great. No guarantees, of course, but if it does, you're talking about let's see here, profit to loss. What is it? Where's the 9-to-1? Wow, 9-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So, it's worthwhile taking the chance on that. No guarantees, of course, but you know what? You put $1 in, you get $9 out. That's worth the trip to Vegas, right? No guarantees, but that's how you do it, right? Alrighty. You could also, of course, trade it all the way from here with this M. This M will probably take us to. Let's just do that as well. Might as well, right? So if we took the M to the top here, took the 1-to-1 ratio with the one, is that going to be a 1-to-1 ratio? Yes, it is. There you go. So you could wait for the breakout, and then you just move your stop loss so that you get at least a 2-to-1, so you don't walk away with any kind of, because a 1-to-1 is not going to give you if you're over 55% right. 1-to-1 right is going to be very frustrating, but with a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio, you can I'm sure that you will always be in the black with your trades. You'll always be making more. So if you win one, you lose one, you know what, you're up basically, right? So if you win one, you lose two, you're break even, right? With the 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So it makes it more sense to do it that way. Okay, let's head over to Ethereum and see what's going on here. Did I actually hit the top there? Oh yeah, no, it's 33.5%. Wow. There's maybe the top's right up here. Yeah, you know what? There we go. There you go. Top's there. 33.7% dump. Oof. Brutal. Absolute destruction. Brutal. And because Bitcoin is probably having more of a dumpy day, more dumps to come, you could expect that Ethereum probably going to break down. So I'm probably going to take I'm going to close them off my trade somewhere. I'm going to wait to see. Let's just go down to the lower time frame. We can see the same kind of style happening here. A little bit different, but Ethereum loves to stop run, so I wouldn't be surprised if it comes up and breaks above here before it actually goes back down. Let's head over to the leverage trading platform. Oh wow, the hourly is staying below the 13 EMA. We are severely oversold here on the hourly, and decided to reverse here. Is this thing a divergence? No, we have not created any kind of bullish divergence on the hourly. Probably hasn't done on the 4-hour. No. So expect more downward pressure as well. Heading down to lower time frames, we're probably going to see divergence. No guarantees, of course. Yeah, there is a little one right here. That's not even worth. Yeah, it's not even worth it. Yeah, it's not. Yeah, it's not even a divergence. So, let's see here. How about this one right there? Yes, there's a divergence. We do have a 15-minute divergence playing out here. It confirmed approximately right there with this this green candle here, which happens to be red on the colored coins. It's converting it, so we can see probably a little bit more pumps before this thing turns around. Oops, sorry, my computer is old and I need to get a new one. It's 4 years old. It's time to replace this computer. Alrighty, so with that said, yeah, I think Ethereum has to let's see here. Let me just do a fib notch level because I would like to see what the fibs are saying here. Fib all the way from the top, all the way from the bottom to the top, and see if there's any kind of like retracement pattern. 38.2 is a possible level, and we're so far away from the 13 MA on the 4 hour. It's a little bit overdone, so I would expect a little bit us to come back up closer to the 13 MA before we actually on the 4 hour before we actually roll over. How is that on the 4 hour? Yeah, it's still holding it down the 13 MA. If we break, you can see it. You can see the 4 hour. Actually, the 4 hour 13 MA be the one that holds it if it continues higher, but we have to wait and see. All right. With that said, move on to the old general market. Right, as you can guess, the general market is getting crushed hard as CRO, right? We talked about that in yesterday's video. I told you that, wait for it to come back to you. 1 inch has come back a little bit, so you know what, if you're interested in 1 inch, maybe you've gotten a massive discount here. EOS, oof, wow, I remember seeing this thing at $5, man. More than $5. It's just like obliterated. And yeah, Bitcoin Cash. I remember telling you guys on Chris's channel, hey, you know what? You have to wait for this to pull back before you actually enter it. And yeah, XRP's taken a hit. ETC, right? The Ethereum Classic. Don't know why that's still around, but Ontology. Ooh, well, it might be a time to pick up some Ontology. Right, you'd have to, let's take a look at a chart. Actually, you know what, why not? Because you know what, Ontology is one of those coins that I have. Binance, wow, Binance coin has not broken down. I'm surprised. I'm interested in of course, getting more at the 61.8, but unless it gets there, I'm not going to get any. So let's bring up Ontology, ONT. Priced it in Bitcoin. Yep, there you go. Right, whenever you see markets start to pump, right, the altcoin season is not done yet. It's not. Let's just bring up the market cap in a second, but you don't chase 61.8. You sit there, you wait, you hit it, and that's it. 61.8. And if it doesn't hit, you move on. That's all. So let's take a look at the dominance, because I remember what I told you guys. What did I say? It was probably going to bounce up and down. I've been saying this for the longest while. It's going to bounce up and down here before it actually takes its and does the Royal Express elevator to hell, which is actually positive for the altcoins. And yeah, that's coming up very, very soon. Looking forward to that. All right, guys. Having a great time here. Having too much of a good time, actually. I almost didn't want to do the video, right? That's how much of a great time I'm having here. But I'm looking forward to coming back and getting to my regular schedule, and getting back to normal. So yeah, check me out. I'm going to be doing some more photos, more stories, and more cool things happening. I mean, wow, this is my most popular set of pictures. Because my Instagram used to be really boring with the cat, right? Cake. Oh my God, nonsense. But yeah, now it's gotten a little bit more exciting, right? Lots of fun here. So I'm looking forward to doing some more videos and more Instagram postings fairly soon, yeah, because it's lots of fun here, man. All right, so make sure that you're subscribed to that. Also make sure that you follow me on Twitter, of course, right? I'm on Twitter, DaVinciJ15 on Twitter. And there's hopefully I'm holding my screen with one hand, and now I'm trying to type with the other, and so yeah, that's right. Okay, so make sure you're following me. Right on Twitter, right? Oh wow, just hit over 90K followers, right? Rapidly. Thank you very much. It's great, right? I'm just trying to get my Instagram up so that I can do some more pictures, more cool things for you guys there. Yeah, make sure you also purchase some DJ15 tokens, right? Because you know what, my revenue, right, it's small right now, but if you guys help me by subscribing through using my Bybit link or using my Femex link, right, I'm going to help you guys. So make sure you do that, right? Make sure if you've already have an account, make sure you know what, set up another account with another email. That's what I've done here, right? This is not my primary email. This is my DJ trading DJ15 trading email. And so yeah, it doesn't hurt. Create a new email, open up a new account in Bybit, and using my link and get paid, man. Thank you very much. Appreciate everybody watching, and hope to see you guys next time, right? But just remember one thing to always remember: Bitcoin's real. Bitcoin's here to stay, and you absolutely need to be a part of it. Cheers.